Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome to this night routine as a theater student in New York. As you can see, the first thing that I do when I come home is play the piano. I'm a complete beginner, but I'm trying to learn little by little. I practice around 20 to 30 minutes per day. But yeah, I'm playing very basic songs for the moment in this very old piano. I then like to stretch a little bit, work out, do some abs, basically move my body in whatever way feels good to me in that specific moment. We dance a lot at school, so I'm usually exhausted, but I do like working out a little bit, enjoying the view. It's time to cook. I'm making organic tofu from Trader Joe's with some frozen vegetables, also from Trader Joe's, and some carrots. I season my food very simply, I would say. I just put some olive oil, salt, rosemary, and I also added 2 sausages. I wouldn't really know how to call this, but I'm basically just cooking some spinach with onion, and yeah, I was trying to make spinach pie, but I didn't have the dough to make the pie because I'm gluten-free and it's extremely hard to find one that is good. So I'm just using the spring roll rice thing. I know it sounds very weird, but trust me, it's very good. I also added some feta cheese, and that goes straight in the oven. In the meanwhile, I'm heating up soup that I had frozen from that weekend, and yeah, that's basically my dinner. Now it's time to take my food out of the oven. As you can see, it's crispy. It's enough food for at least 2 meals, so that's good. And yeah, now it's just time to do the dishes. I sometimes like making myself a hot cup of chocolate. I'm using the organic cocoa powder from Whole Foods, the organic coconut sugar from Trader Joe's, and the organic rice milk also from Trader Joe's. And yeah, it's very easy, very convenient, and delicious. I like making sure that my space is clean before I start working. Right now I'm working on a Shakespeare assignment. We usually get one of those each week. It's very simple. We just have to read the play and write an essay. I enjoy doing those. It usually takes a long time, but it's fun. In terms of skincare routine, I'm very simple. I don't like putting too many products on my face. I just wash my face with an organic soap, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your week.